The Whitemat system comprises a versatile magnetic surface and physical props or mag tags for delivering and reinforcing your message. Be that for operations planning, stakeholder briefing, technical training, emergency response simulation or management, or a wide range of other applications where the ability to illustrate, demonstrate, and deliver your message in an engaging and effective way is essential. Tabletop demonstrations or exercises are a powerful method of briefing, coaching, and reinforcing the features of a new technology. However, this method is equally powerful for delivering an understanding of processes, procedures, or improving team performance. In fact, where individual behaviour and team communication or dynamics is to be developed or coached, the Whitemat system and support props will provide an engaging, focused, and relevant tool with unique advantages. The mag tags and support props that are used on the magnetic Whitemat surface can be generic or bespoke to truly reflect the architecture or function of your system components. These props, used in conjunction with colour markers on the dry erase surface, provide a versatile and easy means of having your audience participate directly. Contact us to discuss how your technology, your USP, and your message can be delivered in a new, better, and more cost-efficient way.